to handmade at home? It's me, AV, and I have a few questions. Do you like candles? Do you like personalized gifts? In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your candle using paper. Let's get crafty. I recommend using a flameless candle instead of a traditional candle to avoid any fire safety issues. Also, your candle must have a wax exterior. Must. Now let's get started. Choose or create a design that will fit the front of your candle. You can opt for a larger design, but be mindful that it may be difficult to manage while transferring. Avoid 360 designs. Now that you have your design, you're going to take a piece of white tissue paper and your plain printer paper. You want to make sure the tissue paper is a little bit larger than the printer paper. You're going to fold it over the edges of your printer paper and tape it. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be secure. I'm going to cut the tissue paper. We don't need the printer paper anymore. You want to make sure you cut it delicately because tissue paper is tissue paper. It rips. Trim off any areas we don't want. Where to place it, how you want to. Just lay it down there momentarily. Gonna cut a piece of wax paper that's larger than your candle. Now that you have your wax paper, you're going to lay it on top of the image and the candle, but you want the waxy side of your wax paper to touch the candle. Just lay it down. And you want to make sure you have a good amount kind of like hanging off because you're going to need that. You want to hold it like so. Make sure it's flat. All right, now it's time for the heat gun. Let's start low. And you're gonna just keep moving side to side. We're going to melt the image into our candle. Once you start to see it melting, that's how you know it's transferring. And you wanna just keep moving from side to side so it's even. As it gets clearer, that's when you know you're melting it. When you no longer see any white, that's when you know it's transferring. Okay, now that you've transferred your image, you're going to just peel it off. OMG, I love how this turned out. It smells like a cardboard box, but it looks good. And there you go. Your transferred image is on your candle. Wasn't this easy to make? A perfect gift for baby showers, weddings, or yourself. Spot anyone? Now that you know how to customize candles, what do you plan on putting on yours? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay calm and craft on.